In this video, I'm going to show you the best ways to find the most profitable wallets, including how to find crypto influencers' private wallets, insider wallets, and also in the end of the video, I'm going to leave a list of wallets you need to track when you start trading meme coins. So you guys might ask, why do you need to track wallets? It's super useful to know what people are buying. You obviously should not just copy trade, but tracking wallets can be very helpful. And maybe you will also be able to find a crazy insider wallet by doing the steps that I show in this video. So as you can see, I'm tracking 179 wallets that help me in trading daily. Okay, I'm gonna start off by showing how to find a wallet, a crypto influencer wallet by a PNL that's posted on Twitter. So I saved up this tweet before the video. As we can see, he posted a PNL on Twitter. We just open it up. He made 22.92 SOL on this coin called Aura. And if we open that coin up, we can see that he put in $536 and he made $4,070 profit. And if we go into the top traders of this coin, we can see, we can compare that P&L to the top traders. And as we can see, 536, 4.07, which is his wallet. And we can save this wallet, name him, and turn on the alerts so it shows up on the alerts. So that's how you find wallets by PNOs from Twitter. And the next thing I'm gonna do is show how to find insider wallets. So I also saved up a wallet. Yesterday, Adam22 launched a coin. Adam22 launched this coin yesterday, and I found this wallet from this coin. I already named it, but how you find these wallets is you just find a coin and just go into top traders, try to find something that looks suspicious. Just by opening every wallet, seeing, oh, this is a fresh wallet, that means that it's not good. Open every wallet, find one that's not a fresh wallet, that's a trader. And I found this wallet. And how do I know that this wallet might be good? I saved it as insider because the same guy was in Taiga coin, which is another influencer coin. He was basically, let me just go into the beginning. Okay, so he was basically buying the floor. The coin launched at like, he was buying like in the beginning, and he made, let me check how much he made. He made 300 SOL from this. And obviously you would not be buying this coin if you wasn't, he would not be buying this coin if he was not sure that this is Tiger's coin, which people were not sure. Nobody was sure that this is Tiger's coin in the beginning, but this guy somehow just started buying it with conviction, started buying a lot of it. He had conviction because he probably knew something, and he was probably an insider. So I just saved up this wallet. This is a good wallet. The same guy also made 44k from 2 SOL on SSE. So I'm gonna track this wallet. It seems good. Okay, the next thing I'll show you is how to find streamer wallets. This is the easiest part of the video, finding streamer wallets. So basically what you need to do is when someone is live, basically the first thing you can try is just type in ! wallet, because most people leave a command. Okay, Alan did not, but basically what you need to do is just, when he's live, just open, I'm gonna open a VOD, but when the person is live, you just watch what he buys. You watch what he buys, open the same coin. For example, let's imagine that he bought Jellycat. Let's imagine that he's the 2 SOL buy. We saw it on the stream and we already know that that's him. This is not him, but like, you get it, right? Basically when a streamer is live, you just watch what he buys, find the buy on the coin, and just open up, save it. The second to last thing I'm gonna show in this video is a website that has most of KOL's wallets. It's called kolscan.io. You can find many wallets in here. Copsy, West, Sended, all the most basic wallets you can find on here. You just press copy, 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 just copy the wallet, save them on the wallet tracker of Bulex, of whatever wallet tracker you use. And yeah, I'm gonna also leave a list in the description of this video of wallets that I would recommend you to track if you are not already tracking them. They are super useful. It's the most basic wallets and some of them are pretty hard to find. So that was the video. Make sure to check out the links in the description of this video. You can find all my socials and an access code to the best trading bot, Nova, in the description as well. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.